If you want to learn that how you can start your freelancing career online, how you can become a successful freelancer, and you are looking for a step-by-step guide that how you can be a successful freelancer without following the herd, and how you can straightforward become a successful freelancer. Now, why this video is must have for you? Because I have been into freelancing for a long time, but it's just 2 to 3 years I have been successful in that freelancing field. How? I just followed some of the steps, I just followed some of the techniques that are not used by 99% of the freelancers, but just 1% of the freelancers. And these techniques, these methods, and these things are just applied by the ones who are getting high ticket clients, because there are people who are charging $100 for a WordPress website, and at the same time there are people who are charging $1,000 for a website, and I am from those people who are charging $1,000. Yep, there are a lot of people who are charging 5,000, 10,000 as well, but I am just in that mid range because my location is that way and my clients are that way, so I just don't charge more than that. But I can tell you that how you can get that kind of clients, not too much high ticket, not too much low ticket, but in between that. Okay, and a website usually take around a day, maximum a day to be created, and you can make $1,000. And the most important thing there is to just get the client in any kind of business, like whether you want to start web graphic design, you want to learn the writing, you want to learn any kind of thing, any kind of freelancing skill, that can only take you around 7 days, maximum a week to learn, and then you can provide the services. And the best thing and the most important thing is to learn how you can find the clients. And in this video I'll tell you about the complete process, that how you can find clients, how you can learn things, and how you can get started as a freelancer. So let's just not waste your time and get right into it. So if you are an absolute beginner like me, then when I started, first of all, the first step for you is researching the market, because you don't know anything professional. So you have to learn a skill, whether it is WordPress, web design, or graphic design, content writing, SEO, digital marketing, social media. So you have to research the market first, which skill is best for you, and then you have to choose that skill. Now, how to research the market? So what you have to do is, you can just go to a website like Fiverr or Upwork, because these are the freelancing websites, and on those websites professionals are there who are providing the services, and you can see the stats as well, that what are the charges per hour, per project, and which skill can be best for you. So just go to Fiverr or Upwork. Best recommendation is to go to Fiverr. Just see how much people are charging, how much people are making, and what they are doing. Just see the gigs. Let's say if social media marketing appeals to you and you think I should become a social media marketer, then your next step comes in, and the next step for you is to learn that skill. Now, to learn that skill, there are multiple platforms to learn those skills. The best one is YouTube. Then you can use Udemy and Skillshare to learn the skills as well. Those two are paid platforms, but on YouTube you can learn those skills for free. Now, if you want to learn social media marketing, then what you can do is you can just go to YouTube and just search for social media marketing course. Just learn a lot about social media marketing. But my recommendation is to go to Udemy or Skillshare. Just see for the bestseller course. Just get into that course. Just watch this complete course. You will have the basic understanding that how that field works. Then you can go to YouTube, subscribe some of the famous creators in your in that specific niche in social media marketing, and just follow the YouTube channels, creators, and just see the playlist. Just learn about the strategies, how to do the different things. Then you will be able to say that you will be eligible to say that you are an expert in that specific field, and that's how you can complete the research, and that's how you can learn a new skill. There are a lot other programs those teach those skills, but in my recommendation, if you are low on budget, then the best recommendations are Skillshare, because their subscription is too low. And then the second one is Udemy. You can get a course for $11 or $12, and then the last one is YouTube, because on YouTube everything is free. Everything is for free, so you can learn a lot on YouTube as well. You have to spend almost 7 days or 14 days or maximum 30 days on learning things, how the things works, how market works, and you have to learn all about what is going on. And after you have mastered the skill, now it's time to remaster it, or be a legend in that skill. And how you can do it is to build your portfolio. like let's say if you are in graphic design, what you can do is you can build some portfolio logos. You can search on YouTube for tutorials, logo design tutorial, how to build a minimalist logo, how to build how to design a minimalist logo, how to design a logo for construction company, how to design a logo in Canva, how to design a logo in Photoshop. Just search for tutorials. Any field you are in, just search for those tutorials. Just do some practical projects, some portfolio projects. Or let's say if you are in social media marketing, then what you can do is to build your portfolio. You can reach out to some friends, or you can reach out to some family members, tell them that I will do social media marketing for you for free for 1 month, so just give me a try. So one of them will obviously accept your offer, and like everyone wants the stuff for free, so just offer them that I will provide you services for free. I can do that and that and that and that for you. So you have to provide them services for free for a week or 2 weeks, or maybe like you have to build a strong portfolio. And after you have built your portfolio, now it's time to build your brand, because here everyone misses. Because when someone learns the things, someone and completes the course, they just what they think is that I have to just go to Fiverr, just create a gig, and everything is perfect. Now I am good, and I'll start getting clients. And after 1 month, they just stop. They are just hesitated that, oh my god, I'm not getting clients, and then just leave it. But that's not the way how it works. First of all, you have to build a portfolio, and then if you want to get high ticket clients, you have to build your brand. Now, how to build your brand? You don't have to just appear like show your ads on TV or build your banners, but you need a simple logo of yours. The brand name can be your name. Like my brand name is Khadin Akbar, and Webify Hub, 2 brands. Okay, but you can create your own brand name like by your name as well. Like my name is Khadin Akbar, so brand name is Khadin Akbar. What should be its logo? It can be your profile picture. You can create a HD profile picture, and that would be your logo. And you can create a cover photo as well. Then for that brand, first of all, you have to create Facebook page, Instagram profile, and Twitter page, and LinkedIn, all kind of things. And you have to make it professional. You can search on Google that how to make a professional social media pages, how to make a LinkedIn profile, and all that stuff. And the main thing is to create your own website, because that is the most important thing, and that is the best investment that you can have. Now, if you know about SEO, you will be wondering that your website would not rank on Google, so why you need a website? The thing is that when you will be reaching out to your customers, your people, they will obviously want to know what, how, if you are eligible for that or not, if you are authentic or not. And the best thing to examine is, as a client, I can say that website is best thing to examine you. If you will reach out to me as a video editor or anyone, first of all, I'll see your website. What is your website? What do you things you offering? What are you all about? And I'll see how professional is your website. Now, creating website is not rocket science. What you have to do is you can go to link in description below, or you can go to webifydhub.com/hostinger, and there you will get a web hosting with domain name. Now, if you don't know what domain name and hosting is, domain name is the name of the address of the website, like google.com, khadinakbar.com, webifydhub.com. And the second thing is the hosting on which all your website files are stored. So you will get these 2 things from Hostinger for just $32 per year, and you can get a free theme with the free templates, and you can just change the images, and you can change the titles, text, etc., and your website is created. And that's all. That's how you can create your own website. And also you can get your own email. Like my email is info@khadinakbar.com, so it would be more authentic than khadinakbaronline@gmail.com. Info@khadinakbar.com is more authentic because it's a business email, and you need a business email for you. Now, if you are not still not understanding that how you can create a website, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to create a portfolio website for freelancers. You can check out that, or you can just search for how to create a portfolio website for freelancers, and you will get it. And also, if you will go from link in description to Hostinger, you will get 80% off, and that's why it's $32 per month, per year. And I would recommend you to buy it for 48 months, because for 48 months you will get 80% discount, and after that it would be regular. Okay, now this was all about building your website, building your brand, and now you have done all the back-end work. Now it's time to come on the front end, to monetize your skills and make your business profitable. And to make your business profitable, which is the first thing is to get the clients. Now, how you can get the clients? You will be thinking that you have to create a profile on Fiverr, Upwork. Yeah, that was good, but 10 years back or 5 years back, because there was not a lot of competition. But right now there is a lot of competition, so you have to find some creative ways to find clients. Now on YouTube, when you will search for how to find high ticket clients, how to find freelance high ticket clients, you will see a lot of tutorials, a lot of ways with which you can create get high ticket clients. Like, you can use Google Maps to find clients, you can use Twitter, Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use a lot other platforms like Yelp, and there are a lot, hundreds of methods with which you can find high ticket clients. Now personally, what I use is Google Maps, and that's, I think, best method to find high ticket clients for web designers and SEO experts. And for graphic designers, I think nothing is better than Instagram, and for video editors, I think nothing is better than YouTube. And after you have found that how you can get the emails of those people, then you have to learn that how you can send the emails. Now you have to learn the art of emailing. First of all, if you are using Gmail, then you can use an extension which is Streak, with which you can send bulk emails, and you can also track if someone has watched this email or not, because on emails the biggest hassle is like WhatsApp or unlike WhatsApp or Messenger, Facebook Messenger, it doesn't tell you that if someone has watched this email or not. But if you will install that extension and you will just set it up, it will tell you when someone viewed your message, when someone viewed your email, from which location, and it will give you a lot of details, and that extension is for free. The link is in description, so you can just check it out. And then the next step is to improve your communication skills. Just go on YouTube, search for how to improve your communication skills, because when you will email someone, you will have a conversation with them. First of all, you will need good communication skills for those conversations. You have to set up an email template to send to them that hello, I am a video editor, I want to edit your videos, I saw your YouTube channel is great, and I just want to edit your videos. This is for video editors. Okay, well, same thing can be applied on different methods. So after sending them email, they will reply back to you, and you have to tell them that they will ask you some questions, you have to just answer them, and most of people will ask you to have a Skype call or Zoom call or Google Meet call, and you have to be fluent in speaking with them, and you have to be like confident in yourself that you can provide the services. Then you have to improve your communication skills. You can just go to YouTube, search for how to hook the clients, how to pitch the clients, and all these kind of things. You need to learn that art of YouTubing and Googling, because that is the best art I had, because I don't have any personal teacher till now. I haven't learned anything from a specific teacher. I don't have any specific teacher. I just learned from YouTube and Google. Anytime I got a problem, I just search on Google and YouTube, and I just got the solutions. And you won't believe, but I have learned PHP programming, HTML, CSS, web designing. I have learned social media marketing, SEO, WordPress, digital. I have learned a lot, but all from Google, YouTube, and Udemy. Those are the platforms from which I learned, not from single instructor, but a lot of instructors. So you can apply the same strategy to get high ticket clients, to become a successful freelancer. And the next step is to do those projects. Now you can do those projects by yourself, but if you have a lot of projects like me, now I can't handle it myself, and I can't take a risk to just hire some people and pay them the monthly fees. So what I do is, when I get the project, let's say I get a project for $1,000, so what I'll do, I'll just hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork for $300 or $400 or $200. They will do a project for me. I'll just deliver that project, and the rest of the profit is mine. And that's the business method you can apply. This is, I think, the best business method that you can apply if you have a lot of clients, if you have learned art of emailing, communication skills, and art of finding clients. And that's how you can scale your business. You can then hire full-time employees as well, but I cannot take that risk because I'm not comfortable with it. But if you are, you can hire those people. And I think the complete guide is explained here. I have explained each and everything, that how you can become a successful freelancer, a step-by-step guide on how you can learn new things, how you can just become a successful freelancer. And that was all about this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like this video and just tell me in comments what are your opinions, and just make a comment, because I just want you to interact with me. Ask me anything, I'll answer your questions. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I share videos like these, hundreds of ways to find clients. You can check out my YouTube channel, a lot of digital marketing strategies and a lot of things. And I have just set it up, that camera setup, and I'll just try to improve all these things. I'll try to add animations, and I'll just try to make videos more like good for you. And don't forget to subscribe. And that was all about this video. And if you want your friends to be successful as well, share this video with them. Sharing doesn't sharing a video with your friend who don't take clients from you. Your clients are yours, their clients are theirs. So share it with other freelancers as well to help them, and in back they will help you as well, because this video can be asset for them. So bye bye.